Good morning, guys. I'll be going back to continue drywall repairs on two different projects today. Should be a really quick day. Won't be really doing much. Still sick. I don't know if you could hear it, but I am still sick. It's a really beautiful rainy day today, so we're gonna make the best of it. I'll see you there. It is time to go do that other job. Look at this. A paintbrush. I mean, you can use it. All right. Well, that concludes the day. I'll see you guys next time I have some work to do. Peace.